Here are two settings that every Samsung owner should enable if ever you fear or feel as if your phone just might get stolen one day. So I'll show you how to get into these settings and how useful they can be to you. Let's get started. Whether you have Android 13 or 14 on your Samsung phone, I want you to go into the main settings of your Samsung phone. And assuming that you do have your lock screen password set up already, go to the lock screen section right there. And as you enter here, you'll go to the section that says Secure Lock Settings. As you tap on that one time, you will be prompted to put in your lock screen password, code, or pattern, whatever it is that you had. After you input your password, you'll now be taken to the secure lock settings, and these are additional settings that you won't see unless you go into them. So one of them is the auto factory reset. Now, you don't need to turn this one on. It's up to you if you feel that maybe one day you might lose your phone, or you probably had a dream that someone stole your phone. So basically with the auto factory reset, it's going to fully reset your phone completely to factory settings after the person who stole your phone or found your phone attempted 20 incorrect attempts to try to unlock your phone. So if you want that, if you feel like for as long as the person doesn't get access to all your information, turning this on might just be a good idea. So it's 20 attempts, right? That's 20 attempts, right? Now you can come back and turn these off if you feel uncomfortable about it. The next one is the more rather better option here. So lock network and security. Once your phone has the data on, and if your phone gets stolen or lost and someone finds your phone, they'll try to perhaps turn it off as the first option for them so that your phone won't be tracked. So by keeping the network and security locked at all times, this is going to prevent Wi-Fi and mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked, right? So if your phone is in a locked state and the person finally uses these connections to locate your phone when it's lost. So you want to keep this on at all times so that your phone can stay on with the Wi-Fi or the mobile data and make it easier to track your phone. So of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.